Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making another showcase plane again. First, fold it to the side like a triangle. You could turn it if you want, so then it's a little bit easier, but this way it's a little bit more faster for when you open it. Next, fold it in a triangle way, but make sure that it folds like that it stays on the line. Do the same thing with the other side, but make sure it's the same. Okay. Next, fold it like this, and then fold it like this. So then it's like another extra piece here. And do that with the other side also. Next, fold it to the side. Okay. Next, fold it like this little corner, but make sure that it's not too down. You should still be able to see it. And do that with the other side also. Keep it like this, and then make sure it looks like this. Then stretch it out. And then fold a tiny corner of it. And then make sure that it's also, this side is also turned like that. Okay, keep on doing that, and then you could always pause it, everybody. Please sub to the channel for more amazing videos. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching this epic video on how to make the Speed Fighter with the Speed Fighter 2.0.